undertaking any kind of major home project, whether it's a custom home or a large scale renovation, it can be a stressful process. We try and eliminate as much stress as possible. We have milestones that we like to measure against to say, okay, we have these selections that have to be made, and we have to be made in a certain order, and we help our homeowners prioritize them and get them made, get the decisions made in a proper time period.
One of the most important parts of any project is the selection process. You have your design in place, you have your approvals either in hand or near in hand, and there's now literally hundreds of decisions that you have to make your project come together. We try to be a funnel. We figure we want to take all those choices and help you narrow them down to ones that are most important to our homeowners. We have selection sheets that we use, and the selection sheets will monitor, here are the items you need to have selected before construction begins. And then here's the stuff that has to be selected prior to when the drywall is going to be hung. Those are the two major milestones that we focus the selections around. Things like kitchen cabinets, things like windows and doors have long lead times, some 8, 12 weeks or more. So those have to be done right away so we get them ordered and get them in our hands when we need them. Other items such as granite countertops, that really can be done very late in the process because the granite is readily available and it's not a long lead time for that. And we have great relationships with a number of vendors to help them through this process. We also have relationships with some very good interior designers who can help you through the process, even if it's just a matter of where am I going to put my furniture when I'm done? Or are these 3 colors or 4 colors going to work well together? Or what color should I paint my walls? One important aspect of the selection process is who you're making selections with. We give a lot of thought and spend a lot of time developing relationships with very good suppliers, vendors, installers, to make sure that the materials are of good quality, that the installation is done well, and that the pricing is correct. A lot of our vendors don't necessarily have a retail showroom someplace because they're working with builders such as us. And so we bring our homeowners to their showrooms, to their offices to make those selections. And we try to do it efficiently so that you can go from, make better use of a day to go to 1 or 2 at a time. There is no really one-stop shop to make these decisions. And we really want to get to the people that are specialized and are very good at what they do, as opposed to someone that's just general, does everything. Anything we can do to help eliminate the stress, eliminate the angst you might have over decisions, and help again to be that funnel is very, very important.